financial struggles feel like a heavy burden dragging you down? Are you tired of carrying that weight? Imagine the new opportunities that could open up for an additional income, more freedom, more opportunities, more confidence in your future. I know what it's like to search for a way out. 9 years ago, I was working as a waiter, dreaming of a different future. Back then, I didn't realize that it doesn't matter where you start. It only matters where you're headed. Thanks to the system I built, I was able to completely change my financial situation. Now this is how I live. In this video, I will share my experience and the strategy that keeps pushing me forward again and again. My name is Nathan and I'm a professional trader with over 8 years of experience. Last year, I was recognized as one of the top 10 most successful private traders in Europe by Yahoo Finance. On top of that, I've conducted over 50 consultations for companies like Goldman Sachs and BlackRock. Trading is my life, and I could talk about it for hours. These high-level consultations, they're a true test of skill and professionalism. In this video, I will explain my trading system in a simple and straightforward way. No complicated terms, no confusing charts, just real practice. Over the past 3 years, I've tested this approach under different conditions and seen its effectiveness. Watch this video till the end, and this might be the exact tool that helps you get started in trading today. It's time to take a step forward, new opportunities. Let's begin. This moment could be the turning point in your journey. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. Stay where you are or take your first step forward. What will you choose? The first move is simple. Join my trading community. Over 21,000 people have already made this decision. Many of them once stood exactly where you are now, uncertain, hesitant, wondering if this is the right way for them. But instead of waiting for a miracle, they took action. And just in the last month, our newest members have achieved incredible results. How does it work? It's simple. I host daily live sessions where I explain key points and provide clear steps to follow. You apply them in your real time, learning as you go. No complicated terms, no overwhelming analysis, no confusing charts. Everything is explained in a clear, beginner-friendly way. But there is one important thing. I personally help each and every member. Because of this, space is limited. If my time becomes stretched too thin, I'll have to close enrollment. Don't miss out this chance. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join now and start learning with us today. Sign up, come back, and let's continue. The best part is yet to come. Switching to the most important part of the video. I'm moving to trading. The platform is open and the amount I'm starting with is set. Now let's select the currency pairs I'll be working with. Perfect. Now let's configure an important indicator. Today I'll be using MACD. This indicator shows the difference between two moving averages of price on the chart. The MACD is based on trade analysis and helps traders determine when to open or to close trades. Let's set up the indicator. Adjust the line brightness and size. All settings are done. Now we can start. Looking at the chart. Let's stop at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. I see that the price was in downtrend and then reversed. This is the first approach to a resistance level after the trend shift. Usually, when the price fails to break resistance, it pulls back downward, often leading to consolidation, where the price moves sideways near a level without a clear direction. In this situation, I'm going for a sell, expecting the price to bounce off the resistance and continues downward. Great start, everyone. Let's keep going. Checking the next setup. I see a rejection from a strong resistance level. This level has repeatedly stopped the price before, and during previous rejections, the indicator signaled a reversal. So I'm entering a sell trade, expecting the price to fail at the level again and move down. Awesome. We've secured a solid 20. Let's continue. Moving to the next pair. Setting 20. Looking at the chart. Alright, we're going up. I've spotted an impulse candle that broke the level and closed above it. The indicator is pointing up, confirming a potential trend continuation. I expect the price to keep rising. Let's watch how it plays out. Perfect. My technical analysis was spot on. Let's move on. Checking the chart. Let's stop here. Everything is clear. No hesitation, I'm entering a sell trade. The price was moving downward, then consolidated briefly before breaking lower. During this consolidation, local levels formed. When I saw a bearish engulfing candle, I decided to enter a trade, expecting the breakout of this local level and further downward movement. The indicator also confirms a bearish continuation, so this trade should go well. Excellent. No doubts here. This is my proven strategy and I trust it completely. Let's keep going. Feeling the excitement of your first wins? This is just the beginning. There are even more opportunities waiting for you in my trading community. Still not with us? While you are thinking about it, others are already taking steps forward, new knowledge and financial freedom. Here's what you will get inside my trading community. Live trading sessions. I don't just trade, I explain every action in simple terms. Even if you are a beginner, you understand the logic behind every move and apply that knowledge instantly. A step-by-step system. You'll gradually master key aspects of trading without drowning in theory. Personal mentorship. I'll guide you through the process, answer your questions, and point you in the right direction. I started from zero with no experience and no connections. But through mentorship and a structured approach, I discovered a proven method that truly works. Now you have access to it too. Important. Access to my community is still free, but spots are limited. If you want to learn more, don't wait. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Sign up now and come back. The most important part is ahead. Ready? Let's go. I see a consolidation near a level on this pair. The price is gradually pressing against the level, which increases the likelihood of breaking out to the upside. In this situation, I'm buying, expecting the price to break the level and continue moving upward. Good. Let's keep up the pace. Let's see what we have here. The price returned to a broken level for a retest. Once a level is broken, it turns into support. Now, after the retest, the price is starting to rise again. This is a great setup for an upward move, so I expect the uptrend to continue. This is my kind of trade. Let's go further. Here, we're gaining altitude again. A local level was previously broken downward and the price returned for a retest. However, instead of bouncing lower, the price started to press against the level and closed above it. This signals that the market is preparing for further upward movement for a more global level. The price has successfully retested and started to rise, confirming my decision to enter a buy trade. Fantastic! We've already reached 501 and now we're moving into bigger numbers. I like this. Stopping at this pair. Everything is clear. Selling, because the price has reached a strong level around 0.63 and bounced off it. This confirms that the level is acting as resistance and there is a high probability that the price will continue downward from this point. Let's see how it plays out. Great. Now, this is the kind of result I like. Moving forward. What do we have here? Earlier, there was a false breakout downward, which often leads to a reversal and movement into opposite direction. This pattern signals a high probability of the uptrend continuing. Taking actions now. Alright, everyone, it's time for the final trade. And as always, I will set the maximum value to achieve the result I want. So, what do we see? There is a strong level around 96,000 that the price has tested multiple times but failed to break. Additionally, there is a trend line that the price has repeatedly tested. The indicator suggests that downward momentum is weakening. The histogram bars are getting smaller and then they reversed. The MACD lines are also pointing upward, confirming signs of a reversal. Everything signals an upward movement, so I'm entering a buy trade to ride the trend. Excellent! Look at the results we've achieved. My strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. How do you feel about the results so far? I bet you're starting to see that this is possible for you too. And guess what? This is only the beginning. A lot of people spend years watching others transform their lives and gain financial freedom, while they stay stuck, counting every penny, wondering how to make ends meet. That's not the future you want, right? If you're serious about changing your life and starting to earn real money, I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. No empty promises, no magic formulas, no complex schemes, just a clear step-by-step system that works. And I'm ready to share it with you. Right now, the doors to my trading community are open, and you have the chance to become a part of it. Every member of my community doesn't just receive theory, they get a real, actionable system that delivers results. Daily live sessions where I break down my trades in details, showing exactly how I make decisions and execute trades. Real-time participation. You're not just watching, you're actively applying what you learn from day one. Practical, real-world trading. No boring textbooks, no unnecessary theories. You learn by doing, not by memorizing. The most important part is right now, while you're watching this video, you have a chance to join my trading community for free. Yes, completely free. But there is a catch. Spots are strictly limited. I can't accept everyone because I want to personally support each member and ensure you get maximum value from this experience. So don't hesitate. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join now and start your journey with us. Remember, your future is in your hands and only you have the power to change your life. I'll see you inside my community. Together, we're going to achieve massive results. See you inside.